All right, ladies and gentlemen, my name is ThePandaPhotographer, and this is a Zhiyun complete mobile gimbal setup. I have audio, I got a rig, I got a gimbal, I got cables, I got extensions hubs, everything in this particular Zhiyun bag. So with that said, everyone, Zhiyun did not send this to me. I bought this with my own money, but there's not a lot of YouTubers emphasizing what's in the bag. So with that said, everyone, I got this gimbal on eBay for a very good deal. Now, the owner of this gimbal did not use this gimbal very much. So take this experience with a grain of salt. As you can see, this is the bag, but let me show you what's in the bag. In the pocket, first pocket, or this pocket, in particular, there's a Rex key and some scissors just in case we might need it on set. Never know when you need it. The top pocket has a 100-watt Type-C cable. I'm going to stash that right there. And then on the first front pocket, there's nothing in the mesh, as you can see, but there is a mobile device with the cage. Now, this is a Sunway Photo PCR01. This is the Pateron 4-hub with 100-watt power delivery with 2 USB ports and Type-C ports. I also have a 180-degree Type-C extension here, just in case I need to plug in for an additional power. Sunway Photo FL16 LED light, and I'm also using Maven filters as always. So this has been a DIY, and I'm using a Lulong Z quick release for the gimbal. In the bag, got some cables for audio, additional audio for additional phones, a counterbalance weight for small rigs, keep that in mind. Now, if we were to open up the bigger compartment, I have the Zhiyun tripod with the Zhiyun quick release. I'm using Comic-Con audio for this setup. So I have Comic-Con audio sit here in the bag, and we have the gimbal, the Weebill 2. So with that said, everyone, in combination, it does have a Sunway Photo QA60 quick release, which I use on this particular tripod. So with that, in addition to this setup, this is the complete rig itself. Now, I am going to show you some other. Here is the plate. As you can see, I'm using the Lulong Z plate, so I can automatically put it back on when I need to, fast, and assemble this gimbal. I have additional audio cables for audio, and we have a camera strap for the bag. But with that said, everyone, I'm going to put everything back in here, nice and neat. Let me close this up here. Put the small rigs. Put the audio cables here. Put this here. Ta-da. And there you go, everyone. That is a complete setup in one bag. So with that said, everyone, Thank you for watching. I'm the Panda Photographer. I'm a documentarian, journalist, photographer, and I love what I do as a photographer and a filmmaker. And I love these gadgets and these toys. So I want to say thank you to Zhiyun for making such a good product, by the way. The gimbal is amazing, but we still have to play with it and get to know each other a little bit better. But other than that, this has been a Zhiyun Gimbal Weebill 2 experience. So please do subscribe, like, and share. If you like the content, please do. Support the channel if you can. It means a lot to me. It takes just 2 seconds to hit the like and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. See ya.